What is that?
As I set my camera down in the kids' room, I hear the strangest sound I've ever heard. Jay also hears it from Nerve. Listen to this. When we replay the sound, it's as if an interdimensional door opens for like a quick moment.
What is that?
Downstairs, Aaron and Billy don't hear it, but their equipment starts acting strange.
Hey, Aaron, why is that UV light doing it?
Hey, what was that?
What UV light?
Your UV light just flashed on and flashed off.
The one in front of me?
Yes, and it was. Hey, you realize what's going on right now?
Hey,
Yeah.
what was that noise?